pocket and
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is fashion. If you guys are new, please click that subscribe button. I just have some clips from the day before of me laying in my bed, and then we get into me cleaning my room. Hey guys, so I'm doing a voiceover because I didn't know what music to add to this, but my room is a complete mess, as you guys can see. I'm just gonna do a time lapse throughout this entire video and show you guys what my room looks like in the end after I cleaned up all the clothes.
No disloyal in my heart, whatever that is. Came a long way from a Mary's. Let me change. So I'm gonna be doing a clean my room with me, which as you guys can see, it's a total mess. But anyways, I'm doing a clean my room with me, and you guys are gonna see the okay, my tripod decided to like bend. You guys are gonna see all the junk that I have in here. I did my laundry this morning. I just have a bunch of clothes on my bed. So I'm gonna okay, so fun fact about me is it's getting hot in here. I need to take off this jacket. I have a bag of clothes. Like, I have 3 laundry baskets. I'm lying. I have this laundry basket. I have a black basket on top of my dresser, and then I have this bag. But it's not actually like laundry. It's just I have nowhere else to put all my junk. Like, I have a bunch of clothes. I don't even know. So I'm just gonna be going through a bunch of clothes, and then you guys are gonna see. Just gonna clear this up. My bed is basically clean. Bring them out for that money. This is as neat as it's gonna get because just have a lot of stuff. I need a vanity. And I have to wipe this down. But I basically finished that. My bed is clean. It's just I have my towels here, my robe, my phone, and a hoodie. This is a new hoodie I just got. I gotta clean out my window. Okay guys, so it's a few days later. This is my bed. This is my laundry basket that's right here next to my mirror. My dish chair is right here in the middle next to my bed. I have my ottoman chair in the middle of the floor.
I put the left, I hope it ain't no hard feelings. Fuck all the talking, nigga, I'ma get it without a doubt. Hey.
So here's my bed. Have some stuff on here. Cleaned out my window. I have like a Snapple in the window. My dog is in the chair. It's my ottoman. Everything else is like fixed, I guess. My room is clean. As clean as it's gonna get. I actually cleaned off this whole thing, like my TV. This is not even a TV stand. I have some stuff on the floor, don't mind this area. But I cleaned off the TV stand. I wiped it down, as you guys can see in the other clips, and I just wiped off my TV. My nose is really stuffy. The camera is blurry. I don't know what's going on with this camera. That's pretty much it.
You know the work booming. I was dropping late while y'all niggas snoozing. Get that work, break it down, back that shit and send it out. Moving work out.